everybody. My name's David. This is Cap Shark Sports. It's Saturday, January 7th, and we're bringing you some picks for Prizepicks on a day that is littered with as many sports and contests as you could possibly want to wager on. What a wonderful weekend. Let's go. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Here's the first pick of our day. We are going Derrick Henry over 0.5 rushing, receiving touchdowns on Prizepicks. I don't understand this line. Barring any sort of crazy injury or something, I can't see how this doesn't happen against a mediocre Jacksonville defense. Tennessee's plan is going to be to run the ball, and it's going to be with Derrick Henry. So, Derrick Henry, over 0.5 rushing or receiving touchdowns. All right, moving right along. Our next pick, we have Joshua Dobbs, over 180.5 passing yards. Now, I know that their plan is to run the ball with Derrick Henry, but we all saw last week what this man can do. He threw for 232 yards against Dallas, and I believe that he's easily going to clear this projection. I can't find a projection for him that is remotely even close to this. He's projected for about 200 yards on everything that I have seen thus far, and I believe he will do that. And this has no interaction. If anything, it helps our Derrick Henry prop because they'll chuck the ball down the field and they're going to give it to the bell cow and he's going to put it right in the box. So hopefully we can nail this one down. I'm very confident in it. And yeah, let's go. All right, guys. Sticking with the football today on Football Saturday, right? We've got Trevor Lawrence over 14.5 rushing yards. This is also a must-win game for the Jaguars. In any competitive game where Trevor Lawrence is, not 30 points ahead in the second quarter, he's going to rush. He's going to run the ball if he has to, and he's going to do it over 14.5 yards. I'm very confident in this pick. Lock it in. Trevor Lawrence over 14.5 rushing yards. Let's go. All right, guys. I know what everyone's thinking, huh? Going back to Matt Fitzpatrick. And yes, we are. Yes, we are. If anybody watched the end of that round yesterday, he really left us hanging till the end. I believe that he went birdie, eagle, par, birdie on his last 4 holes, and we needed him to maybe split that eagle up into 2 birdies, right? We needed one more out of him. It's moving day. It's Saturday. It's Hawaii. He's here to go. Again, we're going right back to the well. Matt Fitzpatrick, over 5.5 birdies. That's happening. We're locking it. All right, guys. Next up on our list, we have the one, the only Patrick Mahomes. His prop is at 319.5 yards on Prizepicks. We are going to take the under. We'll just call it a week 18 special. Andy Reid's not going to have him out there chucking the ball. Isaiah Pacheco might run. That might be another prop we can look at, huh? We'll look at that prop and we'll look at some projections, and we might add that to the list because Isaiah Pacheco is going to get all the work, and Patrick Mahomes is probably not going to play past the third quarter or the beginning of the fourth. Whatever it is, they're going to run the ball. He's not going to throw it. Take the under. Lock it in. All right, guys, coming in for our last pick of the day to round it all out, we have Isaiah Pacheco. 60.5 is his rushing yard prop on Prizepicks. We're going to take the over on that, like we stated previously with Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes isn't going to throw it as much. Isaiah Pacheco is going to run it. They're going to beat the tar out of the Vegas Raiders, and it's just going to be a run fest. And that's who's going to be doing it, is Isaiah Pacheco. 60.5 over, rushing yards. We love it. Lock it in.